What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here, and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install a new passenger window on your Chevy Aveo. So follow along with me as I show you all of the tools and techniques you will need throughout this install. What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today we're going to be working on my 2009 Chevy Aveo 5. Now recently I moved up to the big city and unfortunately this car got broke into. They broke out the passenger side rear window. There was nothing in the car, they didn't really get anything. Still unfortunate that I have to replace a window, but today I'm going to show you guys how to replace this window, and when I'm done you should be able to fix it yourself and save some money. First, let's start by cleaning out all the broken glass from the car. This glass can be sharp and dangerous to work around. Use trim removal tools to remove this trim piece. Be careful, as the tabs holding this in do break easy. Remove this door handle trim piece and the two screws beneath it. Use a trim removal tool or a flat blade screwdriver to carefully remove the door panel. Disconnect the electrical connector for the power window switch. Once you are sure the door is free of debris, plug the power window switch back in and lower the window regulator into its lowest position. Remove the window weather stripping. This will give you more room to maneuver the new window into place. Remove window holder clips from door and transfer them to your new window. Take note of the orientation as these only go in one way. Remove this top bolt and loosen the bottom bolt to slide the window track out of the way to allow for more room to get the new window glass in. Once the new window glass is in, slide the track back into place and retighten the bolts. Reinstall the window holder clips, now with the new window installed, back onto the car. Alright guys, we got the car all put back together. The glass is looking clean. It's in there pretty good. I have a little bit of a gap there that I wasn't expecting to have, but hey, what can you do, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully now you have what it takes to replace your own window should you unfortunately have to do so for any reason. I enjoyed making this video and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.